Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another English grammar lesson, the difference between since and for. As you know, both of them are used with present perfect tense, but the usage and the meaning they are representing is completely different. But most people are confusing since with for while using present perfect tense. So let's clarify that, how they're used with some examples. So since is used to show the starting point of time. It shows that the starting point, nothing else. When an action is started. When we are using since, it means since is used with a number, with a day, with a specific date where an action is started. For example, this is a chart of 2 hours starting from 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock. We have our action at 4 o'clock and then now is 5 o'clock because when we use since and for with present perfect tense, it means we have started an action and it continued up to now. Like for example, since, then an ongoing action up till now. For example, since yesterday, it means the starting point of our action is yesterday. Since Monday, since 8 o'clock, since I was a child. All of them are a specific time or a specific day where an action started. More example, I have lived here since 2020. It means when I came here and lived here till now, it was 2020. She has worked here since Monday. So Monday is the day she started working here. They have been friends since childhood. It means when they became friends for the first time that they are friends until now, it started when they were child. So this is the starting point of their friendship. He has been sick since yesterday. Sick, it means when he got sick yesterday and he is still sick because the action is ongoing. So it started yesterday but is continued up to now. With the for is used to show the duration of time. It means it show how long an action lasts. So in this diagram, again we have 2 hours, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and 5 o'clock, which is now. From 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock, the action been continuing. So here we only care about the duration of the action, not the starting point of something. When we are using for, it means we are not specifying the starting point of something. We are just talking about the duration, how long it has been going on. For example, it is like for an hour, like for 2 days, for 3 days, for 5 years, for a long time. So it is actually used before a duration of the action. It's not a specific date or any specific number, but a duration of time. 2 days is a duration of time. 3 hours is a duration of time, and 5 years and a long time. So let's see some more examples. I have lived here for 5 years. You see, I have lived here for 5 years means that I have been living here for 5 years, and it's not specified when I start living here. She has worked here for 2 months. She has worked here for 2 months. It means duration of 2 months is not specific. When did she started working here? They have been friends for 20 years. I'm not just like pointing out the specific time their friendship has started, but just the duration, how long they have been friends. He has studied English for a long time, so it is the duration of the time. It was for a long period of time, but not specified when he has started studying English. If it was specific and if we want to point out the starting point, we have to use since then. So I will give you the time, or you can pause the video to compare the example of since with for, and you will understand what each of them exactly mean and how to use them. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video and leave a comment on the comment section. Have a good day.